I'm Mary Waterfall, and I've been in the jewellery trade for about 18 years. I've worked in lots of different sectors. I started off working in manufacturing for a ring making company, and I was the buyer for the gemstones and sorted them out to go into the rings. I've also worked at a stone dealer's, and I've also worked in Tiffany's, got lots of wonderful retail experience there. But I decided that I really wasn't using all the gemological skills that I'd learned when I'd studied gemology. So I decided to cross over into the world of auction, because there you really don't know what people are going to bring into you, and you have to test gemstones, you have to see if they're natural or synthetic, you have to grade diamonds, and so you have to use a few more of my skills that I'd learned. So I've spent a lot of time working at an auctioneer's called Fellows, which is based in Birmingham, and specialises in jewellery and watches. I've worked in other provincial auction houses as well, and then all my experience has kind of culminated, and I actually qualified as a registered valuer in 2016. So as an independent valuer, I mainly do insurance valuations, but also do valuations for probate, division of assets, private sale. So what I'm really passionate about, what really attracted me to jewellery is the gemology. So I love, gemstones, the coloured gemstones, finding typical inclusions that help you identify what they are, being able to determine whether something's natural or synthetic. I like kind of the detective work behind something.